Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. I will be making a live withdrawal from Tradeunos today, whereby I will be making 31,000 naira. I will be showing you how I make 31,000 naira, that is approximately $56 in this video. So I want you to start making money online. So this is one of the ways whereby I make money online personally. Okay, this is what I have for you in today's video. You just need to stay tuned to watch this video to the very end to know the platform where I'm going to withdraw this and to know how you too can earn this on daily basis. So this is what I'm having for you today. But before I do that, I would like you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. In this channel is created so that I can share with you financial education, so that I can share with you how to make money for yourself online, how to become financially free, secured and settled. And also this channel is created in order to warn you, to raise a warning flag on some suspicious or fraudulent online investments that are very rampant in our days, in order for you not to venture into such and lose your hard-earned money. Okay, so for that reason you need to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Turn it to all notification. The reason is for you to be able to be continually aware or notified whenever I upload new videos. So kindly do that now. Subscribe and click on the notification bell. And also, if after this video you found it to be very meaningful to you, if truly it adds value to you, then like this video and share with your friends and family. Okay, if you have any questions concerning this video, you can message me through my email address here. You can call me on phone or through my WhatsApp. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on how you can make money online. Okay, once again, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK and I welcome you all to this channel. So quickly, once again, what we are considering today is a live withdrawal, how I make 31,000 naira. How I make 31,000 naira, that is $56 is what I want to show you right now. So quickly, let's go to the platform. Okay, so this is the platform. It is called Tradeunos. So it's called Tradeunos. This is what I have right now. There are several plans in Tradeunos. You can go for the one that suits your financial strength. You have Omega plan, we have Forex, we have gold, we have crude oil and crypto plan, and all these, they have different ROI, that is return on investment. So right now in my affiliate wallet I have $56. In my code wallet and the funding wallet there's nothing there. I have withdrawn $147 so far, and right now in my balance I have $56. And also in my Omega plan I invested $25, and right now I have $4 in my balance, and it is I can withdraw, but it's not up to the withdrawal limit right now. So I will be withdrawing my bonus, that is the balance in my affiliate wallet. That is what I will be withdrawing now. You too, you can make this. It just depends on how social you are. If you have friends, you can also invite them so that you can also be rewarded some referral bonus or some binary bonus if they eventually turn on, if they eventually invested in this program. Okay, because this is how I've been making money online. So let me show you my recent withdrawal. Let me show you my recent withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal log. Let me show you before I will be going to the new withdrawal. Okay, before I will be making the new withdrawal. So let me show you my previous withdrawal. You can see here I have, on the 14th of September I withdrew $63. On the 20th of August I withdrew $72, and on the 24th of May I withdrew $12. So these are my previous withdrawal. So right now I want to request for a new withdrawal. So that is what I want to do now. Okay, so just stay tuned. You can see in my affiliate I have $56.316. $56.316. That is what I have in my affiliate bonus, affiliate wallet rather. So now I want to withdraw $56.56. So my Bitcoin address is here already, so I will need to input my pin. So let me pause this video for me to copy my pin and input now. Okay, so all right, welcome back. I am able to copy my pin, and let me submit now. All right, your withdrawal request is sent to admin successfully. So that is all about how to withdraw in Tradeunos. It is very simple, and it is very straightforward. So in the next 2-3 hours, it is going to drop in my Binance, in my Bitcoin wallet. It's going to drop in my Bitcoin wallet. So this is how to make withdrawal in Tradeunos. So you can withdraw your affiliate bonus anytime. Provided you have the minimum withdrawal amount, which is $50. So this is how I've been making money online for myself on daily basis. So you too, you can start making money online for yourself. So quickly, let me show you the plans. Just invest the one that you are financially capable of. So there are several plans here. According to what I said earlier, we have forex, we have gold, we have crude oil, and we have cryptocurrency. And the minimum investment in forex is 200, while the maximum is 4,999. So you can see the duration is 90 days, and you are going to earn 1.5 times of what you have invested after 90 days. In gold, you earn 3.5 times of what you have invested. In crude oil, you earn 2 times of what you have invested, and in cryptocurrency, you earn 4.5 times of what you have invested in 180 days. And all this money, you are going to be making them on daily basis. And once you have $50, you can withdraw on the withdrawal day. So this is one of the ways whereby I have been making money online for myself. Though it took me some months before I considered to give it a try, because I need to check out anything that I'm going to invest. I need to do a proper research, a due diligence research, before I venture into it, so that I can recommend it for my viewers. And also, as a viewer, you are also expected to do your own due diligence research on it, because you need to be very responsible for your action. All right, so I'm just using this as a financial education to show you that there are some platform whereby you can make money from online daily, and which Tradeunos is one of them. So this is one of the way whereby I'll be making money online for myself. And if also you are interested in this, just check the description box of this video. I'll be dropping some information on how you too can start in the description box of this video, so that you can join the team and earn faster. So you can see, so this is unique. It is unique. So I've been making money from this platform for more than 3-4 months from the month of April, and I've shown you my withdrawal, my recent withdrawal, as you can see. So that is Tradeunos for you. All right, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, I made $56 now, and $56 a dollar right now in Nigerian currency is about 570. So let's do the calculation. $56 times 570, so equals to 31,920. Though the withdrawal charge will be deducted, so I can say I've made 31,000 naira by withdrawing this from Tradeunos. So you can see, this is how to make passive income. This is how to let your money work for you, because there is a need for everybody to have a multiple source of income. You can't rely on the only source of income that you have, because of the increment in our daily financial responsibility. Okay, so once again, I really appreciate you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is very important for you to be continually aware of the next update on how you can make money online for yourself. And if truly this video is very meaningful to you, if it is meaningful to you, please kindly like and share with your friends and family. So till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.